Mhadei being the most important, since there is absolutely nothing on the withdrawal of the DPR. Miningache, je म्हाका दिसता सरकारान in the last session in his speech, he announced that he would get 800 crores of income through mining. It is a sorry state of affairs. आणि एक जुमला जे मुखेलमंत्री नाना पयर इलेक्शन होणे म्हणजे 30 जुना सांगला की 10,000 नोकऱ्यो मेळटल्यो म्हणून टू दिस पब्लिक अँड प्रायव्हेट सेक्टर्स. They are only fooling the people of Goa. This is the tradition now. It has become a tradition. आणि चीफ मिनिस्टरान म्हाका एक हाऊसान एक उतर दिलेलें की स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन इम्प्लिमेंट करतलो म्हणून. कित्याक तो हे स्टाफ सिलेक्शन इम्प्लिमेंट करना?
Coming to Lok Sabha, we have already started our preparations. So at grassroots level, for booth management and all, which was not happening, that we have already started.